Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the stories we've been covering in the resources sector this past week. Oriole Resources has announced a maiden mineral resource estimate of almost 900,000 ounces of gold at its Mbe South project in Cameroon. It's now the country's largest JORC resource, with further drilling planned to test nearby targets and boost that total.
Well, this is absolutely stupendous result for the Mbe South MRE. We've hit almost 900,000 ounces of contained gold in the inferred resources category from a maiden drilling program that started, remember, just under a year ago. So it's a great credit to the exploration team. The outcome is 50% greater number of ounces than the median in the earlier exploration target that was published.
KEFI Gold and Copper has secured a $240 million debt package for its Tulu Kapi gold project in Ethiopia, with construction preparations underway. Production's targeted for late 2027, promising over $1 billion in potential cash flow.
So this is a multi-billion-dollar asset now in the making, which is quite lucky in a sense. I mean, we've been very tenacious to work through all the long grind of issues that we've had to work through to prepare regulatory reform.
Atlantic Lithium is seeing strong early results from exploration in Côte d'Ivoire. The company says the new finds could complement its flagship Ewoyaa project in Ghana and support long-term lithium production.
So our focus remains 100% on bringing Ewoyaa to production. This is early stage works to build that pipeline of projects so that as we are depleting the reserves at Ewoyaa, we always have a reserve that we can replenish.
CG Metals says its Gediktepe copper expansion is fully funded and progressing on time and on budget. The company expects to meet full-year production guidance, with costs down 30% and no lost time incidents since operations began.
So the company continues to generate very significant cash flows, fully funded to complete the project, as Granville talked about. So we kind of just above half capex spent, with $137 million on the balance sheet. We have more than enough capital to complete another $70 million in capex or so.
Tertiary Minerals has raised $100,000 from a major shareholder to speed up drilling at its Mushima North project in Zambia. The funds will expand the search for copper and silver mineralization ahead of the rainy season.
It's been great that we've intersected higher grade copper now from that towards the end of the last program, and certainly the continuation of these wide intersects of very promising silver grades is very positive towards where this project is now heading.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.